A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark development for human rights in the Philippines, former President Rodrigo Duterte has been arrested in Manila upon the request of the International Criminal Court, ICC, at The Hague. This arrest follows a long-standing investigation into allegations of crimes against humanity during Duterte's controversial six-year presidency, characterized by a brutal war on drugs that has claimed thousands of lives. The arrest, which occurred on Tuesday at the Manila International Airport as Duterte returned from a trip to Hong Kong, has been met with widespread approval from human rights advocates who see it as a crucial step towards accountability. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. confirmed that Duterte was taken into police custody and subsequently flown to The Hague to face charges related to his administration's deadly anti-drug operations. This unprecedented move marks the first time a former Philippine leader is facing prosecution before an international tribunal, raising questions about the future of justice in the country. The ICC has been investigating Duterte since 2018, focusing on the mass killings that occurred during his anti-drug campaign. Official police records indicate that over 7,000 individuals were killed in operations, while human rights groups estimate the death toll to be over 30,000, including extrajudicial killings carried out by unidentified assailants, many of whom were later identified as police officers. Duterte's administration has been under scrutiny for its aggressive tactics, which included encouraging law enforcement to kill drug suspects and instigating violence against those involved in the drug trade. The political landscape in the Philippines has shifted dramatically since Duterte's presidency, with Marcos Jr. initially rejecting the ICC's jurisdiction and pledging to resist cooperation with the tribunal. However, the recent arrest indicates a significant change in stance, possibly influenced by internal political dynamics and public pressure. As Duterte prepares to face charges in The Hague, the implications of this case extend beyond the former president. It raises critical questions about the rule of law in the Philippines, the potential for justice for victims of human rights abuses, and the broader implications for future governance. Legal experts and human rights advocates are closely monitoring the situation, emphasizing the importance of this case as a precedent for accountability in the Philippines. Duterte's arrest has sparked a mix of reactions, from relief among victims' families and human rights organizations to outrage from his supporters, who argue that the arrest is politically motivated. The former president himself has expressed defiance, questioning the legality of his arrest and asserting his innocence. As the situation unfolds, the eyes of the world will be on the Philippines, where the quest for justice continues amidst a complex political landscape. The international community, particularly human rights organizations, is calling for a transparent and fair legal process for Duterte, emphasizing that this case could set a crucial precedent for future leaders in the region. The road ahead remains uncertain, but for many, Duterte's arrest signifies a glimmer of hope for justice and accountability in a country grappling with the legacy of a violent past. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.